Hello, I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew. We are the Crafty Lumberjacks. Well, warm weather is finally here, and that means it's time for picnics.
Yes, we love to go on picnics.
Yes,
You get to the park, you put
find
out
the perfect spot.
Yes, you lay out your blanket, you get comfy.
And then you got that picnic booty.
You
get
the
up,
ground is wet.
your butt is wet.
Yes, soaked right through into your jeans.
Oh my gosh, it ruins the whole day.
Yes.
Well, we are gonna waterproof one of our old blankets on Handmade. Let's get started. So we have a piece of vinyl that was cut by the yard, and we cut it to size of our blanket.
So we're gonna start by adding all of our holes to one side, then change out the attachments and start adding our snaps.
Olé. So the great thing about these heavy-duty snap pliers is once you have it, you can punch the hole and you can attach both sides of the snaps with it.
Looks pretty good.
Oh yeah. I almost said, look at that hole.
Look at that hole. Holy moly.
We have our first hole punched, and now we are just going down the line and gonna punch our second hole.
Looks good, looks good.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep it going.
All right. Now that we've switched our attachment, we're gonna start adding our snaps. Are you looking at me like I'm doing it wrong?
Kind of, but you're doing it right.
All right, you wanna press really hard. There you go.
We have our first little snap.
I mean, look how cute that little brass detail is.
Utterly charming. Oh.
All right, now that we have the right attachment, we're gonna attach our snaps again. There we go. That is nice and secure. Okay, we're gonna keep going down the line.
Now we have our final attachment on this side, and we're gonna finish up our snaps.
Wow. And the process is the same for every single side, so this should be pretty easy. All right, yes. I mean, this is great, and I love what you said. Like, you can put it on a picnic table if you take it apart. If you have more friends come, you can, you know, have 2 blankets.
And bye-bye picnic booty.
Bye-bye picnic booty. Bye-bye.
Now, to make this more manageable and portable, we wanted to create a little strap so that we have a little carrying strap. We can carry it with us on our way to the picnic, and we're gonna snap that together as well.
So right now we're folding our blanket to see how big we want to make the strap. So we found this strap material at our craft store, and we're just going to wrap it around our closed blanket to see how much we need. So I think just about that much. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're just gonna double it because we want 2 straps. And then we're going to measure out and cut 2 straps. This will be to carry the blanket. And we want one the exact size of the width and then one just a little bit longer. And we'll show you why in a minute. So now we're going to add our snaps to our straps. And we want it pretty nice and tight just so it holds the blanket in nicely. As you can see, the strap is starting to fray. Now you can either take a lighter to this and that will help close it off, but we have these really cute brass details that you've probably seen at like the end of a belt or something like that, and we're just going to press them on. I feel like it's all about the details.
For sure.
All right, now that we're done with the straps, we're gonna add the handle. And now we're just gonna punch through all 3 layers of the straps to connect it all together. And instead of snaps, we have these brass details, which we love because all you have to do is screw them on, and you can actually do it just with your finger. And you can just tighten these by hand instead of using a tool.
Here it is. It looks super cute.
Oh my gosh, I would buy that.
Yes.
That is so cute. You know, in New York, we don't have yards, so picnicking is a huge thing, and we are ready for it this season.
Yes. We want to hear about your tragic picnic stories. Let us know in a comment below. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.